So this is lesson 2 of our first. And in this lesson, I just want you to start building your world. So let's take a look at what you're going to be doing. So if we look at the assets here and go into their demo, we have all these assets we can use. And rather than, start messing around with their scene, you're then going to save your own scene. So you're going to take this and save it as a scene, which you should be doing every time. And I just put mine right there. That way I'm not touching theirs. If I go back, I can do whatever I want to and still have their assets. And I could, resave it again and do as many times as I want to. So I'm not touching theirs. So if we go to mine, which is under the scenes, I have created an empty called My Game. And what I did is I took their game here and just started bringing stuff up. So I went like to the floors and picked whatever I wanted to and then brought it up. So you can sit there and look at whatever floor you want. And I actually got their yellow floor, which is somewhere in here, and I moved it up. So if I look at my stuff, so I created an empty called My Game, and I brought their floor up. You can tell it's zeroed out up here. So I brought my floors up, and then I've started to bring some buildings up. And remember, everything's pointing to the arrow there. So if I look at maybe some canopy or something. Yeah, I need to move that up, don't I? So their stuff is right below mine. I moved it up, and if you look below it, you would see their stuff down here. So I can just pull it up as I want it. So like their floor, rather than me put a bunch of tiles in, I could have tiled it, just duplicated it and put them all together, but I just stretched it out. So you're going to have to see if you'd rather duplicate them and then just put them together or just scale it like I did here. I scaled it 20 by 20. And then I'm starting to put some of these buildings in. And I'll have a area for this, so it'll be all of my stuff will be in a thing there. So if I close my game and I close their game, that's what it looks like. That's what it should look like. So anyway, start bringing your stuff in, putting it together. So if I play my game, and I'll have this script for you next week, I can see this stuff. I can look around, I can look up, I can turn around. So it's pretty cool. Now the one thing you should know is that I have just dropped these in and they do not have physics. So we need to put some rigid body or collider on it so that we collide with this world, because right now it has no physics. Their materials have no physics. We're going to have to put them in. So just start building your world. So this is my world from behind. And start putting some of these buildings together, start putting some of these things together, start getting some stalls inside here, etc. And then we will add the capsule. Now remember, first person shooter, so even though we are the capsule, we're not going to see the capsule. We're first person, so whatever weapon we get, that's what we'll see. So start building your world, saving scenes all the time, and you can see undoubtedly going to need to increase my floor tile, because you can see right now I'm near the end of it. Either I'm going to have to move this stuff up or I'll just lengthen that floor tile so I have more room. Anyway, start building your world. Everybody's world is going to look different, so build what you want. And remember, the examples they have in the asset store would show you what you're looking for.